Hey guys, Justin here from Simplified Investing. I hope you guys are all having an amazing weekend, and we wanted to put together our Sunday trade watch list for you guys to not only see what we're playing, but ultimately have some plays for your own and things that you can look at and get an insight into what we look at, and you can find what we look at and also play it on your own as well. Before we get started, if you could like and subscribe to our channel, it would be greatly appreciated. Again, we are doing that really big giveaway at 1,000 subscribers. So if you guys have tuned in previously, what we'd really like to do is break down the market to see and get a general idea of the direction that we could be seeing in this coming week. So one thing that I wanted to start off with was with SPY, obviously. It did end up hitting our 292.46 level that we did mention 2 weeks ago, and you can see we're still making these higher highs here. One thing that I was really watching was this on the yearly chart here. We can zoom out on the 1 year, 1 day. So we get this bottom base confirmation here at 218, this reversal, higher high here. You see the sell-off, we're still making higher highs. And then you get this another next sell-off here, higher highs. We got this rejection here at 292.46, sell-off here. I'm looking to see if we can confirm and make higher highs here for a pushback up towards this 302 level here. You can see we got the same pattern setting up here. Push up, sell-off, reversal right here. Push up, sell-off. Correction right here and correction right here looks to be forming. See if we can hold this 282 bottom here and push back up, or if we break below, we can trend back down towards this 271 and 261 level here. This next week is going to be a really big week as an indicator to see where the market is going, and even this daily candle that forms on Monday will give us an idea if we are going to make higher highs here and confirm just this correction right here, or if we are in fact heading back down towards this 271 or even this 261 level. Again, these are both going to be really key levels for you guys to watch. We can zoom in on this on a shorter time frame as well. You can see this 281.52 level really holding strong on Monday. You can see this, or on Friday, excuse me, and this 283.06 resistance, again, being very strong here on SPY. We're really trending in between this for a large portion of the day. You can see after this initial sell-off reversal here on the first 2 hours or 3 hours of market open, really a lot of consolidation here. Buyers and sellers are really locked in between this 283.06 level and this 180 or 281.50. Again, this will be a key confirmation come Monday and in the coming week to see if we can in fact make a higher high, which is going to be a bullish sign to the upside after this correction back down to the 282 level. Now, for the three plays that we're watching, I'll break down the first one. First one I will go up right here. First one is going to be GILD, Gilead Sciences. If you guys have saw the news recently, this is something that they reported that they are getting emergency approval from the FDA for remdesivir for treatment for the coronavirus. So you can see we're pumping back up after hours here, and this is the same thing that happened here when we got this initial pump up. This was when the talks were happening that this could be a potential and that their drug works, and then we get this push up here after this consolidation on 77.84 level here. So this will be a big key one to watch on Monday. This has potential to go back up to that 85-86 level that we have mentioned in our previous videos. So you can see a lot of this choppiness since 2/16 to February of 18th. And we can really see this back and forth movement. So you can see this 85.67 level here. Look at this perfect triple top formation for you guys to see. Right here, 85.87 or 85.97 rejection here, and we push back down to the 76 level. And you can see we get rejected here again at this 85 price point and sell off here. So what I'm really watching here is to see how strong this news is. If we do gap through this 85.97 level here on strength, there is potential for this to run back up to the 90.94 price point. And it's really going to be a key indicator here if we can confirm above this 85.97 level here, or even if we get rejected, confirming this triple top that's already here at 85.97. Puts would be a good play here back down to this 80.28 level and even 78.43. GILD is one that we tried playing on Friday here. And what you do is you get this confirmation of really this consolidation here. Tried playing this gap through here at 78.59. The spreads on Gilead Sciences on Friday was really large, so we were unable to make this play. But you guys can see how strong this 77.98 bottom is here. You can really consolidating in between that level and then the 78.63. Not very much movement. We finally get a breakthrough here, and now we're gapping up in the after hours. Again, 85.97 is going to be the key level for you guys to watch. And you can see this triple top here, really seeing if we can see a breakout here on strength and volume. You can see the big volume here on this initial surge. Not as much volume here, but the volume in GILD recently has been very strong. And you can also see here, making a higher high from here, this reversal right here, higher high, and continuously making higher highs here. A very strong base forming here at this 78.89 level. Again, 85.97 is going to be key. There was more news about Gilead's CEO over the weekend reporting that they have sent out all remdesivir drugs to people for treatment. So this is something that could potentially really push up the stock on Monday as well. I have my alerts set here, and we'll be watching these key levels tomorrow for making a potential play tomorrow for the week. The next one that we're eyeing up here is going to be Boeing. As you guys know, Boeing is one that has had a huge sell-off, obviously from the coronavirus here. And what we're really seeing is we're getting a lot of consolidation in between this 150 level and then this 129 level. Not really much movement recently in Boeing right here. So what we're seeing, this is a shorter term time frame play here. You can see that we're confirming this support here at 133.43 and confirming a breakthrough of that support here and a really strong bottom at 128.70. What I was really looking at the most is how Boeing was really trying to hold this 133.43 level on Friday and we're really not seeing that much movement in Boeing. However, it is a good sign that it's really trying to hold this 133.27 price point here with the strongest bottom here at 129.13. These are going to be both the levels that I'm playing here. As you can tell, Boeing was weak on Friday here, so I'm really watching this one to see if we can get some more buy volume coming in on Monday and also some more strength. We got a 148.76 top here that I'm watching. As you can tell, we failed to reach that or break through that on Wednesday. This was after they reported their earnings. Again, you get this big consolidation here between this 129 level and really this 150 level. Boeing is going to be one that does move quite a bit in one single day. Premiums are going to be inflated because it is moving a lot faster and more rapid than it normally is. So this is something to take into consideration if you are looking into Boeing. Be careful playing very high premiums, especially on the week of expiration, as they typically will eat through premiums even if the stock does move in your way. Now, the last one that we were watching or that we were looking at was going to be Zoom video connections, communications. Really what we're seeing here is we get this strong top here at 160.33. You can see this rejection. This is the level that we talked about in the previous week on having Zoom on our radar and watch list. This was something that we did trade a lot of times intraday last week and have become relatively successful playing this one. So really what we're seeing here is going to be this strong 135.61 support here, and Zoom really trying to defend this level here on Friday. Even when the market was weak, Zoom still saw a lot of buy volume coming in here and closing the day up a little over 2.5%, 2.5%. We're seeing a lot on Friday before close. I was seeing a lot of call options coming in and a lot of buy volume on the underlying, which is a bullish sign to the upside. We are really holding this 135 level here very strong. We can zoom in on a shorter time frame. Again, this is, before I zoom in there, sign of a reversal or reversal candlestick pattern here, potentially setting up at this 135.61 level. If we do get rejected here and break through to the downside, the next strongest level below is at 118.41, which we can see is where we formed a base before pushing up to this 153 level here. So this is going to be something for you guys to keep your eye on come Monday. Likely going to be a play that we are going to have off of these levels. So now on the shorter time frame here, we really get this reversal candlestick pattern set up here to the upside. We get this confirmation of the strong support here at 135.75. You can see we get this reversal candlestick pattern here. However, we push down and confirm this bottom here at 135.54, and then we push up the rest of the day here. These are going to be two levels I'm watching for plays on Monday. This 135.85 support, and then this 144 resistance, 146, and also this 148 level. Again, the big level below this is going to be at that 118 price point. We can go back to the 1 year, 1 day. Looking to see if we can confirm this 135.50 bottom for a potential upside again for Zoom video communications, back up to this 158, even potentially this 160 level here. Again, I hope you guys really enjoyed this watch list. Those are going to be 3 plays that we are watching this week and 3 plays that we are going to likely be posting for members to play. If you guys like this video, if you could please like and subscribe to our channel, it would be greatly appreciated. And if you're interested in taking your trading to the next level and also getting our daily alerts, if you could head to simplifiedinvesting.site and check out our team, it would be greatly appreciated. We are looking forward to speaking with you guys, and if you have any questions, comments, or anything, please feel free to leave them below or shoot us a message. Hope you guys all have an amazing weekend and look forward to tomorrow. Thanks.